What if I told you that becoming a millionaire by the time you're 60 isn't about luck, inheritance, or even investing in the next Nvidia or the next Apple? It's about when you start. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how much you'd need to invest every month consistently to reach £1 million by the time you're 60, using the historical average annual return of 10% from the S&P 500. Now, before we get started, these figures are for illustration purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future returns. Now let's start with the figures here on how much you'd need to start with if you were to start at age 18 to reach a £1 million portfolio by the time you're 60. So at age 18, you'd need just £129 every month consistently to reach £1 million by the time you're 60. At age 20, you'd need £158 every month consistently to reach £1 million by the time you're 60. At age 25, you'd need £263 every month to reach £1 million by the time you are 60. At age 30, you'd need £442 every month consistently for 30 years to reach £1 million by the time you're 60. At age 35, you'd need £754 every month consistently to reach £1 million by the time you're 60. At age 40, the number starts to get it gets higher and higher, obviously, the older you are. And this brings us to the importance of starting early with investing. Compounding rewards time in the market. So it's really, really important for young people, for any young person watching this, the importance of starting early. The numbers, the figures the numbers don't lie. The importance of starting early is really, really important. Let's crack on with this. So at 40, you'd need £1,317 every month for 20 years to reach £1 million by the time you are 60. And then if you were to start at 45, you'd need £2,413 every month for 15 years to reach a £1 million portfolio. And if you were to start at age 50, you'd need £4,882 every month for 10 years to reach a £1 million portfolio value. Obviously, you notice that the older that you are, the more you'd need, based on the sort of the target age of 60 years, you'd need more and more. However, if you start early, you'd need less and less. So we'll quickly run through those numbers again. At age 18, you'd need £129. At age 20, you'd need £158. At age 25, you'd need £263. At age 30, you'd need £442. At age 35, you'd need £754. At age 40, you'd need £1,317. At age 45, you'd need £2,413. At age 50, you'd need £4,882, which is a bit unrealistic for the average person. But those are the numbers, and the importance of starting early with investing is really beneficial for you over a long period of time. Now, if you've been waiting for the best time to start investing, this is your reminder that the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you found this useful, please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you in the next video.